This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
16, my lord, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner. My lord, this is a prayer for premature release. Your lordships heard this matter, my lord. Kindly seize the last order passed on 11th of February 2026. My lord, our case is, my lord, same another accused person in the same case. He has already, my lord, his premature prayer for premature release has been considered and he has gone out. My lord, the release order is page 100. But my lord, before that also, my lord, his prayer was initially rejected by SSRB. That prayer was challenged by this before this honorable court. Page 97. The initial order was passed by this honorable court. Page 97. And thereafter, my lord, taking note of his good conduct and potential for reformation, order was passed. Page 97, my lord, kindly comes. Thereafter, again, SSRB, they conducted a meeting and ultimately on page 100, his prayer was allowed. My lord, kindly comes to page 97 once. Page 97, the honorable coordinator.
Where is your conviction order?
My lord, initially conviction order we didn't place.
Where is the
supplementary affidavit?
Where is the
my
trial court order?
Yes. This is the supplementary affidavit, the conviction order. Similarly situated person is already enlarged on bail. Sorry, not bail, my lord. He was his order, his prayer was considered, and he was out of the custody. My lord, 23 years this present petitioner is inside the correctional home.
Who is he, Madhu? What is the name?
His name is, my lord,
Majida Bibi.
Majida Bibi is the mother. Mother is 84 years of age.
What is the name
He
of
has preferred this petition. His name is Mujibur Rahman, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. My lord, a report was filed before your lordships by the learned state advocate. My lord, if your lordships...
Next report. Next report.
Huh?
This is the report of.
What is the report?
Report says, my lord, already recommended by the board, my lord. But going on, the process is going on by the government. Not complete, my lord. Process is not complete.
Not completed.
My lord, kindly seize your lordship's last order.
Recommended by the state sentence.
When it was recommended? Serving the imprisonment in Lalgala Open Correctional Home, having been convicted 2004 by the London Additional Session Judge, Calcutta, already undergone 22 years actual imprisonment. His co-accused in the case of being extended by petition premature is recommended by the board. So where it is now, where it is pending?
Matter is pending still now.
Where? The board is recommended. So where it is pending? You notice?
5 weeks, within 5 weeks. Within 4 to 5 weeks.
Who will decide? But the committee has already recommended. So who will decide? Where is sending the recommendation to the authority?
Already recommended by the state sentence.
Where it was sent to the authority?
To the government.
Where is the communication? Madam, this is the recommendation of the committee.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
Recommendation by the state.
Correct. So it has to be sent to whom? Government. Where is the forwarding letter?
But government.
My lord, there is standard operating procedure also, my lord. There are some, my lord, there are some procedures.
Correct. That's what I'm asking.
There are some procedures. This is a
and when it was taken on in December 2025.
My lord,
so what has happened?
It was taken by before your lordship. It was on 11th of February 2026.
Correct.
On that date, they have said that the entire procedure is going on. How much time more they required, my lord, I do not know.
Madam, this has been taken, a review committee board has taken the decision. Correct. Now the government has to consider. So where this has been forwarded to the government?
Additional Chief Secretary Home,
Where is the letter?
letter is not annexed here now.
Very difficult to deal with the state government advocates of the Calcutta, madam. Very sorry state of affairs here. None of the state government has coming with any total brief. You have been given the name in the list. You are appearing. Go and appear. All the thing is to be done by the court. It is your luck you are appearing before the Calcutta High Court.
My lord, 75 meeting is held on
Madam, our 75th meeting was held on when? 11th of December 2025.
Yes.
Correct. You have recommended the case for pre-release. Correct. So now it has to be sent to some authority. Who is the authority to consider subsequently recommended? Who will consider this recommendation?
Recommended by the board.
No, by the board.
By the board.
Consider ever করবে chief secretary করবে
Last release, Chief Secretary. Chief Secretary will consider.
Chief Secretary will consider.
Additional Chief Secretary.
You have a rule.
It's not me.
Have a rule.
No,
What is the rule says? What the rule says? Shit.
My lord, at the same time, my lord, I shall place before your lordship another, my lord, judgment. This is suo motu writ petition regarding policy strategy for grant of bail with special leave petition. My lord, kindly see, my lord, everything has been, my lord, chalked out, my lord, but they are not following.
That's why.
23 years I'm in the custody. Presently, I'm in the open correctional home. I mean, my lord, on time to time, I was released by
3.2.5 C 3.2.5. The recommending authority shall forward its recommendation to the appropriate government in all cases forwarded to it by the State Prison Department within 10 days from the day on which the meeting was conducted. That's why I'm asking, where is that? You are not having the knowledge of the rule. You are not having the knowledge of the guidelines. You are not having the knowledge of the guidelines fixed by the Supreme Court. The state has provided this one page letter you have brought to this court. And tomorrow I will pass any order, then you will go to the market and say the judges is not giving an hearing.
My lord, when similarly situated person,
yes, I have seen.
I do not know why they are trying to obstruct me. My lord, kindly comes 2 orders, my lord. I have annexed page 97 and then 100 of my petition. My lord, page 98 I am reading, as well as is well settled by several judgments of the Supreme Court and by the judgments of different high courts, while considering the question of premature release of convicts, the State Sentence Review Board SSRB has to look into
page
98. I am reading from page 98, order passed by the coordinate bench in connection with another person who is already enlarged. Page 98.
Yes.
Paragraph 6. Has to look, among other things, the current conduct of the convict.
I think page is not matching.
Page not match. Page 9. Well, this is annexed. Inner page will not match. This page 98.
Just 98.
98 of my writ petition.
Yes. Petition has annexed the certificate of
Paragraph 6 of the same order, my lord. The current conduct of the convict as well as the possibility of being reintegrated in society. In the present case, the petitioner has annexed a certified copy, certificate by the Superintendent of Lalgola Open Air Correctional Home.
You do one thing. You file the Principal Secretary file affidavit within a week. What is the status of the decision taken by the recommendation made by the committee? the respondent, the learned advocate appearing for the state has filed the report, filed a communication dated 5th of March 2026 and submits that the case of the petitioner was considered by the State Sentence Review Board in its meeting dated in its 75th meeting dated 11/12/2025, wherein it is recommended that the petitioner has already undergone more than 22 years of the actual imprisonment. Full stop. Co-accused in the case has already been extended benefit of premature release. Full stop. Considering his conduct and prospect of rehabilitation, premature release is recommended by the board. Full stop. The State Sentence Review Board has taken the decision recommending the case of the petition on 11th of December 2025, but the learned counsel appearing for the state failed to inform this court whether the concerned authority has taken any decision. Appropriate government has taken any decision as per the recommendation made by the State Sentence Review Board, West Bengal. In view of the above, the petitioner, the state respondent is directed to file a report by an affidavit clarifying that whether any final decision has been taken in terms of the decision taken by the State Review Committee Board, State Sentence Review Board on 11th of December 2025 for premature release of the petitioner. Let the affidavit be filed within a week after serving the copy to the learned counsel for the petitioner. Release the matter on 18th of March 2023 within 10 matters under the same heading. 18 March.
Look, can I get a copy of the report which she has?
Within a week, bola hai na? After serving the copy to the learned counsel for the petitioner. Take instruction, file affidavit.
Look, next matter is also in connection with the self-same case, my lord. He was also arrested on the self-same case. He is also in the custody for 23 years. Presently, he is in open air correctional home. And my lord,
the copy to my enlargement lordship. The matter was placed before the board.
76 meeting is going on. Is ongoing since he requested some time. Okay, take the.
well, on the same date, my lord. Let it remain on the same date.
But sometime lordship, that is 27 February 2027.
27 February 2026.
That is that earlier matter has been fixed on 18. This matter that will be.
Learned counsel appearing for the state has submitted the report stating that the request of the petitioner for premature release is placed before the State Sentence Review Board on its 76th meeting that was held on 27th of February 2026, and as such, the counsel for the state prays for some time to file appropriate report. In view of the above, the case is adjourned for 2 weeks. Let the matter appear on 25th of March 2026 for filing report by the state after serving the copy to the learned counsel for the petition. 27th of March. Next.